Curtis, Cohesity recently announced a significant expansion of its partnership with Google Cloud. The collaboration aims to leverage large language models and advanced AI technologies to enhance data insights and strengthen data security. The joint effort was unveiled during Cohesity's Catalyst virtual conference, where the companies highlighted their focus on generative AI, data analytics, and the expansion of the Data Security Alliance. We've been hearing an awful lot about large language models and cybersecurity, but you know this market better than me. What does this mean? Is this really an impact, or is it just more AI noise?
Well, when I saw the story, I was like, "Oh, more AI news." That was my first reaction. But I think this is, at least, it's the first one where it is encroaching on my part of the world. There has been a lot of ML use of ML in backup and recovery technology for a while, but to cross over into the AI world, I think is a big deal. The big difference, of course, is whether or not you're using data to train the model, right? Where machine learning is just looking for patterns, AI is going beyond that. They're talking about it. I think the first thing that they mention is the ransomware anomaly detection, which, of course, is what everybody is concerned about. The I do say, as I said, even when I worked for another company, that if your backup system is the place where you found out you had ransomware, you have bigger problems. But it is important. I think it's extremely important to have ransomware detection in a backup system, and of course, Cohesity is used for much more than backup as well. They're also looking for threat intelligence, hunting down, detecting other threats, and then also for some other concepts like data classification and predictive capacity planning. That all sounds very important. This retrieval augmented generation model, there's some concepts in there that they talked about, which I would, I will take a wait and see approach. It sounds very interesting. This idea is that it could assist in retrievals. It could assist in restores. I think it's one of those where I'll have to wait and see exactly what that means. It sounds very interesting. I think they get credit for being the first vendor in my space to actually say they're using actually AI versus ML. I know some vendors have used the term AI, but but generally what they were talking about was ML.